Welcome again and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV. Let's talk. A very serious accident has claimed the life of an individual and also injuring a number of others in Chopperton, Clarendon just a few days ago. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest report. We'll be right back after the break with the details to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. I trust and hope that you're doing fine wherever you are watching this in the world right now. Much love and much respect goes out to you. And if it's the first time you're watching, please become a part of the Links TV family and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest report that we publish on this platform. So what I want to talk about today is a real serious problem that our country is faced with, and that is a problem of speeding and the improper use of our national roads. Now recently there was a very serious accident in Clarendon, and this is on a new stretch of road that was recently constructed just a few years ago. And I can tell you, this has left a family devastated. This has left a child without a father and a number of students seriously injured after this accident took place. But what I want to talk about today is just how we go about using the road and the improper use of the road before we get into the details of the actual accident itself. I just want to use my platform just to implore road users just to try their very best as they traverse the island's roads, just to try to think about yourself, think about your family, think about your friends, and just try to put that level of urgency and that level of high thinking when you're using the roads, because most of the time these accidents could have been avoided, and most of the contributing factors at times is from speeding and improper overtaking. Now in this recent incident, it's very unclear what really transpired, but we have seen a number of situations played out in recent months in which improper use of the road and speeding is a major contributing factor to road fatalities in Jamaica. Now, the Road Safety Unit in the Ministry of Transport and Works have implemented a number of measures in order to curtail this, but still it's spiraling out of control, and we have had a number of serious accidents recently which has claimed the life of a number of people. So all I can implore my road users to do is just try your very best to see how well you can use the road and try not to speed in areas that you know you're not supposed to be speeding in, and just try to follow the speed limit on these roadways, because at times you might not judge the situation properly, and we've seen how this has claimed the life of a number of people, and it's very sad to see that a family right now is left in mourning. But we can do this, and we really need to put these plans in place. And just when you're driving on the road, you're not driving for yourself, but you're driving for others. So I'm going to update you now with the latest that I have in relation to this story. And this incident happened on the new stretch of road in Clarendon. Very sad. And we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity as well just to express our sincere condolences to the family and friends of this individual that lost his life in this accident. And also we wish a speedy recovery for the students as well that got injured in that accident, and also the bus driver as well, who was seriously hurt in that accident. So let's go over to the report now that we have to bring to you in relation to what really transpired here in Clarendon. Let me update you with that right now on Links 007 TV. So a 3-vehicle crash on the Chapelton Main Road in Clarendon has left a little boy without a father. His father, Hector Moan, a taxi operator who plies the Maypen to Chapelton route, was flung from his vehicle into a culvert on Tuesday afternoon and succumbed to his injuries moments later. A friend of the taxi operator who was flung from the motor car was seen comforting the mother of the taxi operator, Lorna Ellis, as she wept uncontrollably at the accident scene. Dian said that Moen's baby mother passed away 2 years ago and his mother was helping to raise his son. Now the son is left without a father based on this accident. It is further reported that this is not the first time that this taxi driver was involved in a real serious accident, as recently his car overturned and caught fire and he narrowly escaped death in that incident. But according to individuals on the scene who knew this taxi driver, they stated that he was a careful driver, and they have also stated that he was not the real cause of this accident, as he was bad drive by another road user that led to this very serious accident which claimed his life. But when we look on what is going on our roads, it's very clear that some of the times that this situation can be avoided only if everyone does think about the other person that is using the road and does try to help each and every one traverse the streets, because when you're driving on the road, you're not driving for yourself, you're driving for others as well. District Officer Mr. Stanley Bailey, who was one of the first responders on the scene, said that the crash happened about 3:45 p.m. and that a rescue crew had to use jaws of life to remove the driver of the Clarendon College bus from the vehicle after he was trapped inside after this very serious accident. It is understood that a number of persons were transported to the Maple Hospital in Clarendon. The Clarendon College students were reportedly not seriously injured. Between January 1st and May 3rd of this year, there have been a number of fatalities on the nation's road, and this has so far surpassed 151. When compared to the corresponding period last year, it is 9 more. So when we look on this situation, we've seen that we have surpassed the road fatalities as it relates to road accident, and this is a cause for concern because we can't continue like this. I just want to use my platform just to implore the road users just to try their very best to take due care on the road, especially in areas that are prone to accidents or places that we would so call hotspots. We have to think about others when we're using the road, and we have to just try our very best to see how well we can curtail our speeding activities, especially in areas that are stated non-speeding zone and areas in which there are speed limits that we need to abide by. But what happened in this situation is very sad, and it has left the family in mourning and has left a number of children hurt. And it's one of those situations that we've looked on over and over again. And I'm just using my platform just to implore you road users out there, try your very best to do the right thing, because it saved life and it put a strain on the health system, which is actually struggling at this time. I just want to use my platform once more just to send my deepest condolences to the family and friends of this taxi driver who plies the Maypen to Chapelton Road. Very sad and very unfortunate. Now his son is left without a father, and we have been told that the child's mother passed away just 2 years ago. So he's without a mother and a father right now, which is very sad. We're gonna leave this one here for now though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. If it's the first time you're watching, just do the golden rule. Subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest report. This is Links 007 TV signing out. Much love and much respect goes out to you, the viewers, for always continuing to support the movement of Links 007 TV. Have a blessed and productive day. Peace out. Bless.